Hello everybody, my name is Narda Farias. This is my ID, and in this video I want to talk it about my next vacations. On my next vacations, I would like to go to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil with my boyfriend. Rio is a very marvelous city. The monuments of Sugarloaf Mountain and Christ the Redeemer are the must-see attractions for any visit to Rio. This place we will go to visit at first. Also, we want to visit the historical and commercial downtown of Rio and taste the local food and drink caipirinhas. We are planning to host in a hotel near to Copacabana Beach because we love sun and the sea and we want to visit it every day. My boyfriend wants to go to the Maracanã Stadium. This stadium has a soccer museum inside. On the other hand, I really want to go to the Aqua Rio. This is the biggest aquarium in Latin America. We don't want to go on carnival season because the prices of hosts, flights, and food are too much for us, and we want to enjoy the calm city. For all these reasons, we will travel on low season. Thanks for watching.